Hello, and welcome back to Beauty Bee. Today we have another element in our series of following directions, where we follow the manufacturer instructions and create the recommended eye look. Today's victim is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Quad in the shade Petalette. This is the purple in their range. As in previous videos, our basic look is going to be this shade, this pink all over the lid, this in the brow, this dark purple in the crease, and this grayish purple as a transition shade. And as usual, I already have both my brows, my blush, and um, some eye primer on. Guess that's not both, that's all three. So let's just start with the transition shade first. I'm using this EcoTools brush set. This shade kicks up quite a bit of powder, so you'll want to be brushing that off. There's a start. Now for a little, this dark purple in the crease. It's a little patchier than I thought it would be. So that looks ridiculous right now, but hopefully once we get some lid shade on, that'll start looking a little less crazy. Don't know why I just closed that, I still need it. We're just gonna use our finger for this. I feel like I need to layer that up quite a bit. A bit more. I feel like that looks a little bit crazy in person, but on camera it looks like it's translating actually pretty well. Let's finish off with this white. You can't tell, but there's sort of a little bit of an iridescent pinky purple sparkle to this shade. And we're going to use the shader brush. Just stick that right under the brow. Most of the time, what I use this shade for is both putting it on the brow, and I'll put it sort of right in the center of my lid to give it a little bit of a highlight. But the instructions don't say that. That's the point of this video. Let's polish off with a little mascara. Don't usually do this with a hand mirror. The lefty eyeshadow went better than expected. Lefty eyeshadow mascara went better than expected. And finally some lipstick. For reference, this is the Revlon Super Lustrous in the shade Blushing Mauve. Right, there we have our look. Just like last time, I'll be checking in a few hours to let you see how it's worn and my thoughts once I've sort of lived in this look for a little while. So, talk to you later. So it's been 5 hours at this point. I have retouched my lipstick. I have not messed with my eyes at all. I think this is a really pretty look when I have my eyes open. When I close them, I think that it looks weird and unblended and a little bit too dark. But that's just my personal taste. Um, my mom actually complimented me on my makeup today, which is pretty rare. So maybe I think I should do this one again. That's it for today's video. And if you enjoyed, I hope you'll consider liking and subscribing. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Bye!